Assalamu alaikum, dear audience. How are you all today? Hope you are fit and fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Thank you for watching and supporting me. Now I am going to give you a class on tense in Bengali language. We can see that there is a verb on the whiteboard, watch. Watch means dekha. But if we use the word or verb in a sentence, it refers to dekhi, dekho, dekhe. Because there are three types of persons: first person, second person, third person. There is only a verb on the board, watch. There is a verb, but there are three meanings: dekhi, dekho, dekhe in Bengali language. If we want to translate from Bengali to English, we have to know three types of persons: dekhi, first person; dekho, second person; dekhe, third person. If we use here first person, it will stand I or we watch. Ami ba amra dekhi. You or you watch. Tumi ba tumra dekho. They watch. Tara dekhe. If we use third person singular number, it stands he watches. He singular subject, watches singular verb. He watches. She dekhe. Like the verb, there is a verb do. Do refers to kora. If we use it in a sentence, it will stand kori, koro, kore. Kori, koro, koro. If we use here first person, I or we do. Ami ba amra kori. You or you do. Tumi ba tumra koro. They do. Tara kore. If we use here third person and singular numbers, subject singular, verb will be singular. Does. He does. She kore. Thank you for watching the video.